Hi everyone, guess what came this weekend? My Elite bundle from Free Spirit Designs. So excited to dig in. I opened the Petite earlier this week. Now let's dig into this puppy. It's got it. Always pretty, decorated. Okay. So, got my card. It's pretty yellow. Now, one thing I want to, let me do, no, I'll show you here in a second. I'm just so indecisive. Look how pretty, you guys. So as the Elite, one of the things that you get in your box is the extra time and effort to style it and to make it all pretty. So I'm improvising here. And what is so funny is I watched her unboxing video before, and then earlier today, I watched her unboxing again. She posted a new one for everyone, I believe. The first one was just to like members. So I watched it this morning, and I could only remember what one item is in here. That's sad, guys. That's so sad. So I unboxed something earlier, and this item actually will go very well with it. So she has got lots of protective wrapping here. Can you hear them? Okay. All right, so this tag. All right, so it is to outside to collect water from the rain or even your roof. You can place a bucket, that pot that I got in another box. You can place a bucket under me so I can help conserve and direct the flow of water, and you can then use you could use the water to water your plants and flowers. All right, guys. Look at that, how cool is that? Not sure where I'm gonna hang it. I mean, I truly only have, I think, one place that I can hang it, but I'm gonna try it out. All right, so that's our first item. We have got some pretty work gloves by Eschert's Garden. How pretty they are. And then they do have the protective on the inside. Very pretty, you guys. Oh, I didn't notice this when she filmed it, but okay, around here, they has the pulley, the tight thing, so that you can tighten it so water doesn't run down your arm into your glove. I've never seen that before. Yes. Very right. Look how pretty. So the ribbon on the other box and the yellow wrapping match the butterfly. And this is a picture. The artist was Victoria's father. All right, and I opened it from the bottom, but actually I think it's gonna be easier getting out this way. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Oh my goodness. Look at this planter. Get you up a little closer. It's like a turquoise green. It's the inside, the base. Isn't it beautiful? It is so pretty. I mean, this is totally something you can use indoors, outdoors. It says, let me help add charm and elegance with a touch of freshness and vibrancy to any space by using me as a vase to display flowers or as a planter to grow plants indoors or outdoors. I am made of high quality terracotta, and my crackle glaze finish with its glossy glow will help reflect light. I have a drainage hole and can hold a 10-inch pot. I am the perfect size for any table, shelf, or windowsill. All right, where is the drainage hole? Whale. Mind doesn't have a drainage hole. Huh. That's interesting. I wonder why mine doesn't have a drainage hole. Huh. Oh well. It's definitely not a big deal. We get the, well, it's one of 9. So there's 9 different styles. So you don't know what we're getting. But the other styles are up on her website if you want to take a look at them and find the others. Actually, there's 2 more items in here, you guys. I forgot about that. All right. Now, the one I'm taking out right now, one of the things that I love about it is the thickness of the frame. I noticed that today when she was showing, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love the thickness. And I said frame, so you guys probably have somewhat of an idea what this is. You know what's so funny? The one she showed today is the one I got. And I actually liked this one because this one fits my style. Look how pretty, you guys. Look at the little, like the purple. It's kind of like a champagne color frame. It's got a linen, oh my goodness, what's it called? The backing right around here, the mat. This is linen, and let me tell you, I have gotten things framed that had a linen mat, and linen mats are not cheap, you guys. But this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I am going to have to check out her website. Her thing says, enjoy my gorgeous, timeless botanical to infuse any space in your home with a calming ambiance. This work of art is accented by a sleek champagne frame and finished with a white linen mat, so I will be a perfect addition to any room. You can hang me on the wall or simply place me on a shelf. And you guys, this is good size. I mean, it's like the length of my upper body. Perfect. Love that. So pretty. Okay. Well, you know, she unboxed this stuff on camera, and she does it so nicely and seamlessly. I'm over here huffing and puffing, and things are coming out, and I'm making noises. Big deal. Oh my goodness, there we go. Maybe she has the mess that I'm seeing right here. She's got to have that one. So we have got a beautiful Lazy Susan. Look at that, you guys. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the edging. How pretty. And it's huge, you guys. Look how big this thing is. Let's see what she says. I am made of solid mango wood, and I am food safe. Bonus. Use me in your kitchen or at your table to have your everyday items at your fingertips. Turn me into a cocktail bar for summer gatherings. How much fun is that? I could also make the perfect plate for a gorgeous charcuterie or an easy access, or give easy access to condiments at your next barbecue. Yes, so perfect. And you know, it's big enough to hold all of those things, because sometimes you get a platter like this and it's not even big enough to hold everything you need it to hold. And this is a perfect size. But not only that, I'm gonna use it right here on my island, because I am in the transition stage right now of I've taken down Easter. I have not really put anything back up. And some of the things that you see sitting around are just sitting around. Legit, just sitting around. But this is going to be beautiful for me. So, all right, uber happy. Everything is beautiful, quality, love, 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 as always. She knocks it out of the park, you guys. I'm already thinking, like, in the back of my head, where am I going to hang my picture? I think I might take all that stuff down over there and hang it there. So, okay. Thank you for your time again, and we will see each other later. Take care, guys.